Hey there, curious minds. Today, we're delving into the intriguing world of AI, where ChatGPT's popularity has sparked both excitement and questions. But did you know that the rise of AI has also paved the way for some unexpected twists? Join us as we uncover a new player in the AI arena, FraudGPT. This AI, lurking in the shadows, isn't here to help but to cause chaos. Let's dive into the details. Imagine ChatGPT, but with a twist. Meet FraudGPT, an AI tool designed not to assist, but to wreak havoc. Think cyber attacks, spear phishing, carding, it's all in its playbook. This sinister software is making waves on the dark web and Telegram. We'll unveil its secrets and explore how it differs from its innocent counterpart. Netenrika's eagle-eyed researchers spotted FraudGPT on the dark web forum. What sets it apart? Well, this rogue AI has something up its sleeve that ChatGPT doesn't: the power to generate content for cyber attacks. But how does it work, and why is it causing concern? Buckle up, because we're about to reveal the dark side of technology. Ever wondered what's under the hood of a malicious AI? We've got the scoop. FraudGPT's interface might remind you of ChatGPT, but its intentions are far from innocent. Join us as we dissect its features, its eerie familiarity, and how it's being used to craft dangerous phishing emails and more. The danger isn't just in the code, it's in the consequences. FraudGPT offers hackers a shortcut to trouble. What's at stake? We'll unravel the potential implications this AI brings to the table. Stay with us as we discuss how both individuals and cybersecurity professionals need to stay one step ahead to keep our digital world safe. As we wrap up our journey into the shadows of AI, remember that the technology we embrace isn't just a tool, it's a double-edged sword. While ChatGPT has revolutionized interactions, it's crucial to understand that innovation doesn't always walk the straight and narrow. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and never forget that with great power comes great responsibility. Thank you for joining us today, fellow explorers of the digital realm. Keep questioning, keep learning, and keep your guard up. Until next time, stay curious and stay safe. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.